Hey guys, today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, and I have tons of makeup, but they're just below, so you can't really see them, but I have tons. So this is my first one, so let's get started. So, I have like this base coat, but it's like sparkles, but I don't have it right now. So, I'm going to do an eyeshadow first. So I'm getting one of these brushes, and there's this type of brush for the other one. So when I get the eyeshadow, I am using this color, and then I'm just gonna get it, and then blow on it, and then I just put my lashes like this, and I just put them on. And then, when I'm done, I have a paper towel right here, and then my mom likes to do just like brush it off on the paper towel. So, and then I am going to go on another kit with a different one. And I'm going to go on this kit, and I am going to grab this light color in the middle. So I'll just scratch it, blow on it, and then I just get it, go on here. Stop looking weird beside me. Okay. And then I'm going to use this palette to get like a little dark on the other side. Little big loop. Okay, there's some right there. I have a little remover over there. And then I'm going to scratch it off just again. And then we're going to repeat it, but with different eyeshadow things and like different colors. Because they're different. So, the next color I'm going to use to like get it like dark. I'm going to use this color right here. Blow on it. Let's go very that color. But then I'll just put it on. So I have to look at my mirror again. So if you don't have any makeup, or it's like very messy, and you don't know if your parents, just ask them. Okay, so back. Just like here. 1 minute. Since it's very light on my eyes, I'm going to go in like a very, very dark, and then a very, very light one, and then I'm just going to get it and put it right there. Dark, light, lighter. And this time look in my mirror, and then I put it on. And then when I told you that smudging brush, I'm going to get it, and then I'm going to put it on my eyes, and smooth right up here, and now it looks like a little base, like a little texture. And then we're going to get this pink. And then we're going to go in a different pink. I'm still using this brush because it's light. And I'm going to put the pink on top of everything. So I'm going to use the other side to blend it in. And then I'm going to go in with this. And then I'm going to get some on my brush, get another color, and then the pink. And now I have this type of color from these. See that other one? Just gonna brush it on. Like if you want 2 different eyes, you can do like this one, and then you can do a much shorter. So you can do another one, so like that. Yes, the other eye is done, and then we just do this, and then we're gonna get another one, dark one, put it on top, blend it to the other side. Also do that to like the other one to make it darker, and then you have to try to find other ones that I haven't used. So there is this that I already had, and I am going to open it like all, and then I'm going to grab this second one, this dark one, and I'm going to get it and I'll do the same. Sometimes I don't have to on it like the brush, but then you can if you want to. This is okay. I'm gonna do this again. Right here. Gonna do it again 2 times on this side. Then again. Okay. It's okay if I have them on my eyes. It doesn't look that good so far. But I am just going to get the makeup remover and make sure you like and subscribe when I'm getting it on this Q-tip. And hit the bell button. Okay, I'm just going to go get it. And you can do that when I'm doing that, okay? Okay, that was longer, but now you can just brush across your eyes. This with normal water, or it might smudge. And to me, muds. And I got this. So I'm actually going to bring you up here. And then I am using here. Like it's hard for me to like angle the camera to where I'm facing it, but there is one, and I'll just do it from this. It's this, and I like to do it. You have to do it like below sink, or make it messy. And then you can just like get all the rest off, or you can get another paper towel and then put it on the thing and then dump it. Like not really dump it, just like put it on. Then you just like can brush all the rest off. And then I am going to get more of this, but then I'm going to get some of mascara and I'm going to put it on my eyes, but ask a grown-up if you can. Ask like your mom or dad. Then you just put it across. And now I'm going to go get my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm already back. It was just over there that I was filming. So I'm gonna I'm using this. I dropped it. So I'm gonna use this. And I'm sorry, we have a dog. My dad was just talking. And then, if your parents say yes, just put it until you touch it, and then blink when touching it. Why is this like a very long one of this mascara? Because my eyelash was very long before. And now, what I that's a whole thing over there. But I'm going to use a new thing that she just gave me. And I'll be right back to get it. I'm going to use the thing that she gave me. She gave me this before. It used to be hers. And I'm going to put this lipstick on my lips. So just get a little. And then just put it on. I want to do this like on mirrors because you can't see. I can see myself in the video. So it's easier for me. Just put it on my lips. And I just smudge it together. Then it'll look like this. And then I'm going to get another dot. The second thing that we make. The other I could do it on the other things because I spilled it. And then you can just wipe it with when you're done. And then you can like put it all over your face just to get like all the rest out. They think you want. I just can't really see it. And that's just it. Well, my mom has I can't find it right now. But I'll try. So there, as you thought, and that's my mom's thing, and I'm going to be grabbing one of those. It's like this. Okay, close the door. To my friends. I don't want my mom to see it. And then, if you have like things all over your face, just get this, put it in a dot. Because I'm just totally doing it. And then I'm going to get my finger. Well, I already have fingers. So I'm almost there. Now I'm just going to blend this in my skin. Much all the rest. My brother's glasses were there, and I made it kind of like explode. So I'm just right here, and right here, right here, and right here now. I already have it on my finger. I don't know why. I can actually feel it on my mouth. But I can't feel it on the rest. So I just put it in. If you have that at your parents, like somewhere, you just knock it and then you can pretend that you're going to the bathroom, and then you actually put it on, and then you like looking new, like brand new. This because I tried doing this before, and yeah. So that is the end of today's video, and I hope you liked it. Bye!